Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I have another scent from Maison Anthony Marmin that is again around the oud, which is called Dragon Oud. I'm not sure, if you don't know that Chinese also have a very good tradition about oud oils, incense sticks. So they really love and enjoy oud oils. So this is Dragon Oud. Let's find out if it has oud in it or not. It says smoky wood, caramel, dates, honey. So I'm expecting something sweet with smoky and woody kind of blend to it. It seems like very dark and maybe some vetiver is there, but I'm not sure. So let's try to apply it on my arm now because I have used everything else on my hands and arms. So this is the last one I'm going to review today. Ooh, it has a very nice punch of fermented oud note that is found in Hindi oud oils. So this is a nice one. Very lovely blend. Right now I'm getting leather and Hindi oud fermented kind of note. Fermentation, the smell of fermentation with some sweetness, not just the fermentation but with the sweetness. Woodiness, leather. Yes, there is some sweetness in the background. Maybe it's dates note or honey note maybe. Yes, I think maybe honey. The brother Anthony, Maison Anthony, he actually I think added just to balance this oud oil. So oud over here, oud note is very strong. It has some funky kind of Hindi oud oil kind of touch to it. So that is why maybe it is called Dragon Oud. It has more power of the oud like a dragon. So very nice. If you have seen my review of Oud Amiri from Ajmal, it is very close to that. So if you love Oud Amiri, I think you should get this Dragon Oud oil. Safful Hind, I think I reviewed Safful Hind and Ajmal Oud Amiri. They are both in the same direction. Okay, so they are very close to this one, like 90% close. Maybe some dates I am smelling in the background, but it has a heavy dose of oud or Hindi oud fermented note in it. So overall I would rate it as I enjoyed it. It is very close to what Ajmal is selling and they have a very high price for this one. So if you want an affordable oud oil or oud oil accord, Hindi oud oil scent, then this is what you should go for. This is Dragon Oud from Maison Anthony Marmin. Okay, now judging on its scent profile, I would give it like 7 out of 10. Not very unique, but it's a good one, good Hindi oud oil, or it says Oud Cambodi, but it is a bit fermented kind of Oud Cambodi if it is Cambodi oud oils. Seems like an Hindi oud oil anyhow. So then I would rate its performance would be like 7 out of 10. So it is above average in both directions. This is my estimation. I'm not sure, maybe it stays longer on your skin, but this is what I think. I think it is going to stay longer because it has good punch of fermented Hindi oud oils, because they have more projection. That is why Arab people, they love Hindi oud oils, because they have more projection and more punch to it. Okay, so this is my review about Dragon Oud from Maison Anthony Marmin. If you guys have used it, make sure you put your thoughts in the comment section below. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I love reading your comments and I always reply on all the comments. We'll make another video after completing all these about the top 10 or top 5 oils from Maison Anthony Marmin. Okay, till then take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu Alaikum.